Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to delete YouTube channel permanently. When you are in YouTube, click in your profile icon. After that, click on settings. And then you see here your channel, click view advanced settings and then just scroll down and click delete channel, and here you need to type your email. Your email is here. You need to type the password and then click next. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to delete YouTube channel permanently. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.